I want to talk about something which I always wondered about कि एस्ट्रोलॉजी सच है या नहीं, क्या ये कैसे, अगर है तो काम कैसे कर रही है ये, आई मीन ये उपाय करना ये सब. एज अ हिंदू वी हैव ऑलवेज have heard about this, that how that astrology controls us, but how does it control us? Ever you have wondered about that? Ever that question arise in your head? आप कभी अगर मेडिटेशन करना सीखेंगे, जैसे कि मैंने पहली वीडियोस में बताया है कि मेडिटेशन का मतलब सिर्फ होता है ऑब्जर्व करना और किसी की चीज़ के साथ 100% अपनी प्रेजेंस उसे देना. अब वो प्रेजेंस आप अपनी ब्रेथ को दे सकते हैं, वो प्रेजेंस आप जो काम कर रहे हैं उसे दे सकते हैं, जो चीज़ देख रहे हैं उसे दे सकते हैं, जो चीज़ सुन रहे हैं उसे दे सकते हैं, या जो टेस्ट कर रहे हैं उसे दे सकते हैं. आई मीन सेंसेस से रिलेटेड चीज़ों को अपनी फुल प्रेजेंस दे सकते हैं, या अपने माइंड को प्रेजेंस दे सकते हैं आप. कि जो भी थॉट चल रहे हैं उसे आप अपने 100% प्रेजेंस दे रहे हैं, और या अपने इमोशंस को भी प्रेजेंस दे सकते हैं कि जो भी फील कर रहे हैं यू आर जस्ट विद इट 100%, यू आर नॉट रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम इट, नाइदर यू आर डेल्विंग इनटू इट. सो आप दो तरीक़ों से, आई मीन यू कैन जस्ट, it's all about giving your presence to something. Meditation is all about that. But I always wondered that how these planets, these 9 planets that are there, you all must have heard about these 9 planets, starting from Jupiter, Sun, Moon, Mercury, Rahu, Ketu, and I mean Neptune and Uranus, and the next are Saturn, Shani, and of course the Venus, because everybody mostly are crazy about the Venus, how to improve it, because Venus are associated with all the materialistic glamour, and of course the money, the financial resources are all considered under Venus. So I've always wondered that how these planets are working inside of us. Have you ever wondered too? So whenever there is also one more term, कई सारी टर्म्स हम सुनते हैं जो हमारी साइकोलॉजी से रिलेटेड होती हैं, मतलब अंदर की चीज़ों से रिलेटेड होती है. उसमें आप ये भी सुनते होंगे इनर चाइल्ड हीलिंग, कि इनर चाइल्ड क्या होता है, और हमारे अंदर बोथ एक फेमिनिन और एक मैस्कुलिन दोनों साइड हैं, वो क्या होता है. और क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि हमारे अंदर एक ऐसी साइड भी है जो बहुत ज़्यादा समझदार है और जो हमें गाइड करती है. ऐसा भी लगता है गॉड की वॉइस उसे हम कहते हैं. आई मीन वो कौन है, और कौन कौन सी वॉइस आपने सुनी है. एक बहुत नेगेटिव वॉइस है जिसे हम अपने माइंड का नाम देते हैं, जिसे देखने के लिए मैंने ये चैनल बनाया है अभी. तो एक वो वॉइस होती है कि एक बहुत नेगेटिव वॉइस है, मतलब हर चीज़ में यू कैन नॉट डू दिस इज़ सो हार्ड, जो हमारे कान में ये सब कहती है कि दिस इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट यू आर मेंट फॉर, you are meant for great things, which increases our negative emotions and the traits which are considered to be very negative. So that is also there. So कई सारी personalities हमारे अंदर ही चल रही हैं. There is also one passionate side inside of us, that is a fire, which provides us with us the energy and the enthusiasm and the passion for something, any work which we are just going for with giving our 100% energy to it. So that is also there. So there are many kinds of personality inside of us. Have you ever wondered about that? If when you start to meditate, you'll try to find out you'll see different kinds of personality inside of you. It's not just me who has experienced this. Once you will also go inside of yourself, you will also find these different kinds of personality inside of you. What are these different personalities? Have you ever wondered? So when you will sit with, when you in inner child healing, what all happens in that? What do you think happens in inner child healing? That means हमारे अंदर का जो बच्चा है, the child self that we were, जब हम छोटे थे तब हमने क्या क्या फेस किया उस वक्त जब हम छोटे बच्चे थे, और उस वक्त हमारे साथ ऐसे कौन से ट्रॉमास थे, ऐसी कौन सी नेगेटिव इमोशंस थे जो तब पैदा हुए जब हमारे बचपन के पैदा हुए हैं, और हम उसे लेकर कैरी कर रहे हैं अपने साथ, और वो सबकॉन्शियसली, यानी कि हम उसे नहीं देख पा रहे, वो हमारे एक्शंस को, हमारे थॉट्स को कंट्रोल कर रहा है, हमारी लाइफ को इनडायरेक्टली कंट्रोल कर रहा है. तो उसके पास वापस जाना, उस इनर चाइल्ड के पास वापस जाना, उससे मिलना और उसे अपनी प्रेजेंस देना, उसे सुनना, और एट द एंड उसे एक्सेप्ट करना, एंड टू एक्सेप्ट इट वॉट एवर ही इज़ लाइक. इट्स लाइक अनदर पर्सन. एक बच्चे को जैसे हम एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, वो कुछ भी कह रहा है, हम जानते हैं कि ये बच्चा है, तो वी जस्ट एक्सेप्ट हिम एंड लव हिम अनकंडीशनली. ओके, द पेरेंट्स डू दिस ओनली with the child. So we have to do the same in order to heal our inner child. What is that inner child? Have you ever wondered? That inner child is Mercury, that feminine personality which resides inside of you, which you'll meet when you'll meditate, which you'll get to see when you'll meditate, is Moon, is the nurturer inside of us. It's the feminine inside of us. The male side, the masculine side is the Sun. inside of us, which protects us and provides for us, which are, I mean, whenever you are in your masculine, whenever you feel threatened, then that masculine sides gets activated and you become more logical and very protective over yourself, in order to protect your inner world. So that side is sun. And ever wonder that godly voice that comes inside of us and who's so kind, always accepts us, who is that? That is Jupiter. And we have covered Mercury, Moon, Sun and Jupiter. Next is what all is left? Yeah, that negative voice. Who is that? Could you guess? That is Rahu. What? We don't have to fight with Rahu. We cannot win with fighting with Rahu, because mind is what? Mind is illusion. It's all that negativity that we ever felt inside of us. That is Rahu. So what it wants from us is to accept it completely, to accept him completely, and to actually, just like the inner child, we just accept him, then he'll stop being our enemy. We have to accept that side of us, that shadow self we call it. In the healing journey we call it shadow self. That is Rahu. And ever wondered that there is always one voice ki jaane de yaar, jaane de. What is this let go voice? This let go voice inside of us is Ketu. Let go, it's okay, let it go. Leaving and letting go, this voice, whatever it tells us, it's Ketu. And the glamour question inside of us, of course, that means becoming more beautiful, getting attracted towards beauty, glamour. That voice is of a female that is inside of us all. That is Venus. That is the voice of Venus. So Venus is covered, Rahu, Ketu is covered. What about Saturn? Ever wondered what about Saturn? That is a wise soul inside of us that tells us about our karmas or our actions that we have done, either in the past lives or in the current lives, whatever bad we have done, and whomsoever we have to ask for forgiveness. He tells us, he shows us the direction to be persistent. He gives us this voice that you have to be disciplined. He tells us that you have to be very regular with whatever you're doing. It's like churning a wheel every single day. It's like that. So that is Saturn. All these personalities lives inside of us. Once you start to meditate on the physical world, on the mental, on the words world, on the emotional world, then you'll meet these all personalities inside of you, which controls all of us. So if they want to give us some negative karma back to us, then they'll drive us to wrong paths. But if you are becoming more and more, ever wondered who is God then? Who is God? You always worship Shiv and Vishnu and Brahma, these three deities or gods, supreme gods. Who are they? They are us. We don't exist. In the internal world, when you go more and more and more deep, what you'll find is that you don't exist at all. You don't have any existence of yourself. It's just the gods who are experiencing this life. It's, everybody used to call Osho a god. You know why? And he never objected against it, that he's not a god. He is a god. Because we all are gods. He never thought of himself as a separate personality from the universe. His existence was completely submerged with the universe. That's why he called himself as God, because he literally gotten back in the universe, like a droplet of water going back in the sea. So sea is definitely the entire universe. So sea is God. Saying God to the sea, saying God a god is not a crime. Once you experience that inner depth, then you will find out that there is no one that exists. The entire existence is just one. And I don't know, I'm not somebody who's very high and mighty. I'm just a normal human being. I'm just a normal person. So I'm sharing these experiences so that you can also go inside and experience this yourself. This is for everyone. This is not like कोई खास है और कोई नीचा है, कोई ऊंचा नीचा नहीं है. सबके लिए ये अल्टीमेट ट्रुथ है. कोई भी इसे एक्सेस कर सकता है. सबके लिए ओपन है ये, क्योंकि हम सब एक ही हैं. वी आर ऑल इक्वल. कोई भी महान नहीं है. गौतम बुद्ध हम ही हैं. हमारा ही एक हिस्सा है. जब आप जाएंगे तो आप ही पाएंगे कि यू आर द बुद्धा, यू आर ओशो, यू आर एवरी गॉड दैट यू एवर प्रीच्ड, prayed to. That's all for today. Thank you.